I'm Lisa Pointon. I'm going to be reviewing our Swan fridge. We purchased this fridge roughly about 6 months ago following a recent house move. We were looking for a value for money fridge that would compensate for what we wanted for a growing family like ourselves, myself and my husband and 2 babies. As you can see, it comes in black with a grey top. It's also magnetic on the front and it fits perfectly under the worktop. The one thing that I will say is the biggest bonus for us is we've got worktops that are above average height, so we needed something that wouldn't look odd. So the feet on the bottom are adjustable. So to us that was a big plus. A lot of the fridges that we did review didn't have that function, and we didn't want such a large gap underneath. As you can see, it's magnetic and I've got 2 bears on there from my children. If we look at opening the door can be used on the left or the right, and we hung it on the left just because of our circumstances. As you can see, the fridge itself is quite a relatively good size. The one thing that I will say is in terms of the shelves, there's only one deep shelf. The others are quite relatively small, so you do have to be careful what you are putting on there. On the door, you can see that there is 3 shelves that you can put glasses, bottles, anything that you needed to put on there. And it does take 4 litre pints of milk. As you can see, we've got blue and green because we all drink different ones in our house. So in terms of that, it is very good. It also has an egg compartment and a storage at the top that you can put there. As you can see, the shelf at the top is relatively small compared to the other shelves. The one at the bottom is quite a deep drawer. There is also a light on there with the dial for the temperature control as well. I've got to be honest, when I first had this, the instructions were very misleading in terms of what number you needed to put this on. We decided to go for kind of 3 and noticed that our food wasn't chilled enough. However, following further instructions from the internet, we decided now that we're going to be going on 3.5 to 4. The only thing that I will say is at the back, as you can see, it does get quite frosty and it does drip down. One of the plus points for that is you don't get a wet fridge. You can see at the back, and I'll take everything out, that there is a drip tray that you can find at the back, so it saves everything getting all wet. Again, just one of the points that I would say on there is if you do put things like cans of pop right at the back, they do go very cold. However, if you put food or anything else, it does tend to freeze a little bit at the back, so don't push them too far on there. It's also got a salad drawer that we utilise quite a lot, and it pulls out, and again, one of the plus points for that is it is a deep drawer, as you can see. It does keep your food fresh for quite a long time, so that is really good. In terms of the light, the biggest thing that I will say is we've got 2 babies, and they do tend to leave the fridge door open quite a bit. The light is very bright on the fridge, so you can notice at such an easy point passing it that it is open. So again, that is a huge selling point for us. In terms of this fridge, for a value for money, for a family of 4 like ourselves, I would definitely rate this fridge 6 to 7. I think if you've got a bigger family, this perhaps wouldn't be the one that you would be looking for. However, it is energy efficient and it does the job for what we need. And it does come in choice of colours. It's white and it also comes in silver. Thank you.